Hey, it's Dead Shadow 2 here. Today I'm gonna be doing a gaming video on Minecraft Pocket Edition. You're gonna be seeing my cool world today. And survival. Well, my windows are blocked right now. It's because I was playing with my friends and they tried to get in. But you can see from the outside good. That's my jumping pool. See how it looks? Amazing. That's a secret door right there. Right there. So where am I going right now? Secret door. This is the main entrance. Whoa, the secret room. Wait, I forgot to take this off. Let's go upstairs, see what's up there. Well, it's not fully cut, but it's a cool house. Wait. The room. Whoa, wait.